Okay, here's going to be another quick video. My wind vane had some problems this past summer. The cups weren't turning very well, so this is a bearing, and they tend to wear out. And there were some videos on how to service this by replacing the two bearings in here. There is a set screw in here, but I couldn't get it out. It was frozen in, and so I just decided to replace it. I wasn't going to mess around with it too much. So this is just a short video on showing you how to replace it. This is for a B&G, I want to say 508 wind meter. I could be wrong. But basically, I've already loosened them, but basically this bearing piece needs to come off, and you need to take the cups off first. To remove the cups, just undo the nut on the end, take that off. I've already loosened it, and then the cups should slide right off. When I first took it off, it was a little sticky, but some persuasion with a small screwdriver got it out. So put that aside, and now you should be able to unscrew this by hand. I had no problem unscrewing it by hand. So that's the entire bearing. So throw that away, and I have a brand new OEM replacement from B&G. So even taking the nut off, you can tell the bearing's a lot better because it spins the shaft when you're taking the nut off. So it's exactly the opposite of disassembly. Just screw it on. Get it a little tight. Hand tight is more than fine. Put the cups back on, and put the nut back on. At least with the cups on it, should be able to tighten down that a lot better. So tighten that down. You don't have to kill it. Just get it till it's tight. You'll know when. If it breaks, stop. You've gone too far. So that's it. A lot smoother, and we're good to go. I had no problem with the indicator on top, but the cups were kind of messed up. So now we're good for another, I don't know, these were like 4 or 5 years old, so hopefully get another few years on them. And these bearings are not cheap. They were just over $100, I think $110 for this bearing. So you can actually, I don't know if you can hear it. It's a little crunchy. I can feel how crunchy it is. So it definitely needed to be replaced. So I wish they made this a little more serviceable, but they don't. But it's not the end of the world. But that's it for this short video. Thanks for watching.